In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download Forza Horizon 6 on a PC or laptop. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you're going to need to make sure that you do have Steam downloaded. So make sure you have Steam downloaded first. You can just search up Steam, download on any web browser, and download it from there. But once you have Steam, go ahead and open up Steam itself, and you're going to be put on the Store tab right here. Now, if it's shown on the front page like it is right now, since the game did just come out, you can just go ahead and select this and download it from here. But what you can also do is just search for it by searching up Forza Horizon 6. Selecting it as it pops up, and then of course if you scroll down on here, you're going to see an add to cart option on here. Now there's multiple different like editions that you can buy. You can get the deluxe, premium, or you could just get the standard as well. With the retrospective prices, it's $70, $100, $120. So choose whatever option works best for you. Hit add to cart, and once you hit add to cart, it's going to pop up in your cart right here. You could just hit view my cart, or you can hit continue to payment and purchase it from here. I'm actually going to remove this since I already do have it. But once you go ahead and have it on here, you need to just hit your library, and then you could search for it or just find it in here and then hit play and open it up from there. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.